Welcoming in for sale at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, this Range Rover Velar P400e Dynamic HSE with an eye-catching Carpathian grey exterior complementing the LED headlights. This Range Rover Velar also comes fitted with 21-inch alloy wheels, keyless entry and privacy glass. Heading over to the back of the Velar now, we're just going to take a look at some more of that badging and then open up the power tailgate to show plenty of space for any luggage or shopping. Stepping inside the Velar now, we're just going to take a look at that Meridian sound system as well as the electric window controls, driver seat memory function and blind spot assist. This Velar also comes fitted with electric front seats as well as a sliding panoramic roof. I'm now just showcasing the steering wheel as well as the steering wheel controls, which include adaptive cruise control, a heated steering wheel, lane keep assist and voice control. And then we're just going to take a look at that digital driver's display. Coming down to the centre console now, we've got the gear shift paddle as well as the extremely responsive 11.4-inch P400e Dynamic infotainment system. This infotainment system truly has so much to offer, and here I'm just going to go through some of its fantastic features, including the rear camera, navigation, Apple Carplay, Android Auto and so much more. And finally, taking a look into the back of the Velar now, showing ample space for up to 5 passengers. Also coming fitted with Isofix and of course 2 rear cup holders. If you would like any more information or a personalised video, please get in contact on 01228 599 000.